This is Kelly, and today I will share a journal with me video. Many of my subbies have asked how to actually use the journals that I make and that I sell. Therefore, I decided that it was time for me to share with you my journaling process. I am not much of a writer. I do write though, but I do a lot of collaging, as you see me do now. I do a lot of gluing, and I go through my stash of things, and then I just ink pieces of paper and layer them on top of each other until I'm content. Add my pictures in there and add a quote, or sometimes I write, depending on the days. And here you see me prepping a page for the pictures that I have above the journal. And I usually ink each piece of paper that I put down, but then again, that also sometimes I don't. I have no set way of filling up my journals. I do it according to my mood. I do it according to how I feel the day I'm filling it up, how I what type of a period I am in, because sometimes I have some very vintagey periods, or some very clean and simple times as well. So really, here I wanted something in the vintage theme, but those two pictures, as you can see, are not vintage. I didn't print them in sepia, or I wanted the colors to be there, and then I was trying to match both constraints, the colors as well as the vintage style that I love. So yeah, that's my process. I hope you will enjoy. an acetate page that will protect both pictures from rubbing onto each other, because when you have such a small journal and you're putting a picture facing another picture, when you close them they might stick to each other. So I've learned with time that you actually need to add some kind of a protection. It might be a glassine page or parchment paper page or something, so the pictures are not rubbing onto each other. And here I decided to put that acetate so that the picture is still showing. That's my way of protecting it. Little space left for me to write, but still I needed to journal a bit about the picture and what it represents to me. And I'm currently preparing a half marathon, and that's one of the pictures that I take with my app after my run. And that was my first new longest run. It was 13 kilometers, I think. And yeah, I felt very proud and I wanted to document that. And the rose on the right, I also journaled about it, and that's one rose that appeared on the morning of 14th of February. So I thought it was really cute, and I had to put it here, especially since the picture is so beautiful, the color is so vibrant. I love it. Okay, so this is it for today. This is my finished page. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you around soon. Happy crafting!